Have you recently experienced a breakup and are now seeking ways to reinvent yourself? It's a journey many have embarked upon, and today we're going to delve into a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. First off, remember that it's perfectly normal to feel a whirlwind of emotions after a breakup. It's okay to grieve. It's okay to feel lost. These feelings are part of the healing process. But remember, the end of a relationship doesn't mean the end of you. Step 1. Embrace the change. Change can be scary, but it can also be a catalyst for growth. The breakup has created a void, and it's up to you to decide how to fill it. Consider this an opportunity to start afresh, to become a better version of yourself. Step 2. Self-reflection. It's time to look inward and ask yourself some tough questions. What do you want out of life? What makes you happy? What are your passions? Answering these questions will help you understand yourself better and guide your journey of reinvention. Step 3. Set new goals. Now that you've reflected on what you want, it's time to set new goals. These could be related to your personal life, career, or hobbies. The key is to make them realistic and achievable. Step 4. Take action. It's not enough to just set goals. You need to actively work towards achieving them. Start with small steps. You don't have to change everything overnight. Step 5. Surround yourself with positivity. The people around you can greatly influence your mood and outlook on life. Surround yourself with those who uplift you, inspire you, and make you feel good about yourself. Step 6. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health is crucial during this time. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, meditate, and do things that make you happy. Step 7. Be patient. Reinventing yourself doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that requires time and patience, so don't rush it. Remember, it's okay to have bad days. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. It's okay to take a step back and breathe. What's important is not to dwell on the past, but to focus on the future. This is your journey. You are in control. As we wrap things up, remember that every end is a new beginning. A breakup might feel like the end of the world, but it's just the start of a new chapter in your life. A chapter where you get to decide the plot, the characters, and the ending. So are you ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery and reinvention? Remember, it all starts with you. Before we say goodbye, remember to hit that subscribe button for more insights and guidance on personal growth and self-improvement. You're not alone on this journey, and we're here to help guide you every step of the way.